Welcome back to Nightly Manifest. If you are listening to this right now, it means you are ready for a shift. Tomorrow is a new day, bringing new tasks, new studies, and new challenges. I know the pressure you might be feeling, the weight of expectations, the noise of the week ahead. But tonight, we are going to silence that noise. You are not here just to fall asleep. You are here to reprogram your mind. In the next few minutes, your brain waves will slow down into the theta state. In this state, your subconscious mind is wide open. It absorbs everything you tell it. So tonight, we are bypassing the stress. We are going to wire your mind for absolute focus, unshakable discipline, and effortless success. Before we begin the programming, you need to let go. Take a slow, deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale fully. Feel the tension leaving your shoulders. Let your jaw relax. Let your body sink heavy into your bed. Listen to the rain outside. You are safe in this moment. There's nowhere else you need to be, and nothing else you need to do. The past week is gone. Tomorrow hasn't happened yet. Right now, there is only your breath and the sound of my voice. As we go deeper, visualize your mind lighting up. Imagine brilliant, golden energy forming new pathways in your brain. Old habits of procrastination and self-doubt are fading away into the dark. In their place, new connections of discipline, intelligence, and clarity are glowing brighter and brighter. You are a high achiever. Success is not something you struggle for. It is the natural result of your focused mind. When you wake up tomorrow, you will feel a surge of motivation. You will see solutions where others see problems. Your focus will be sharp like a laser. Now, let's lock this new reality into your subconscious. I will say a phrase, and I want you to repeat it silently in your mind. Feel the truth of these words. I am completely focused and disciplined. I have a sharp, brilliant mind. I achieve my goals with ease. Procrastination has no power over me. I handle pressure with calm confidence. I am always prepared and ready. Every day, I am becoming more successful. My potential is limitless. I enjoy the process of learning and working. I am a master of my own time. Success is my natural state. These truths are now a part of you. The golden pathways in your mind are strong. As you drift into sleep, imagine your alarm going off tomorrow morning. You open your eyes and you feel completely rested. You feel a quiet, powerful energy inside you. You know exactly what you need to do, and you are excited to do it. You are stepping into a week of massive success. You are unstoppable. Let the frequencies carry you now. Your mind is upgrading while you rest. Sleep deep. Wake up successful. Good night.